Welcome to the Nicky Nick New York show. We are today at Brooklyn Chamber of Commerce on a conference. They have a big activity here that regards, I think that you know, that concerns the whole community, since we serve the whole West Indian community, the Haitians, the West Indians, Jamaican, Trinidadian, everybody who has a business should know that the Chamber of Commerce really, they should be related to it, and they could have a relation with the Chamber of Commerce who can help businesses grow and how to deal with it. And then you're going to see here today some conferences, some presentation by different companies who will present their products and also would explain to you how to perform in your own business. That would be an opportunity for you to have some references and having some knowledge, some information about the Chamber of Commerce, where you can register and become a member, whereas that will definitely help your business to grow. And as a matter of fact, this is why they are here. Pretty soon you'll be having seeing some presentation that we have taped for you, and we'll come back in a few minutes.
Our host for today, the Brooklyn Public Library's Director, Business Library. Please welcome Maud Andrews.
I'm actually the Director of Outreach and Programs. Thanks for the promotion. Welcome to the Brooklyn Public Library's Business Library. We are part of the Brooklyn Public Library, and I hope you use our library well, whether it's the business library for your interest in entrepreneurial adventures, or whether it's as a parent or as someone just looking for a good book. But we're always really happy to host the programs that the Brooklyn Chamber offers. Today's program, Technology Essentials for Small Businesses, is a terrific program with some great presenters this morning. I'm just going to take a short opportunity to tell you a little bit about how you can use the library, because of course information is extremely important when you're going into business. And our information is for free. You can come to the library or you can use us remotely, and I'll tell you about that in just one second. But our mission is to support economic development for Brooklyn, and that means for individuals such as yourself, your own economic development. And we have a number of services, from supporting people who are looking for jobs, to having programs for entrepreneurs, providing information. Additionally, we have money management information and information on investment services. But to tap into all of our resources, you can come, you can call us on the phone, you can get online and have questions e-chat we do now. But also you can do some research on your own. With the Brooklyn Public Library card, you can use through our website electronic resources, which I think all of you are tech savvy, and I'm sure you can easily take advantage of. By going to the website to our articles and databases, we have information on private companies, we have information on investments, we can help you research property available through Property Shark. All of these things we subscribe to, so you can access them for free. And stop by, have a librarian show you how to use them if you have any problem. Also, we have classes on using the library and our resources the first Tuesday of every month. Our next class is on business trends and how to research them. That will be on the first Tuesday in August at 6 in the evening. And we have computer classes. This next month it's on computer basics and email, but we also cover PowerPoint, we cover Excel. So you can come to the library and learn how to use the computer better if you are in that situation. So we have lots of ways to help you. Our wish is that you succeed in your business. Come back and visit us and take advantage of all the Chamber has to offer. Thanks.
Thank you, Mark. Now I'm going to introduce to you our Director of Online Services, Khadija Batuta, and she's going to share with you what the Chamber does in terms of its own technology and outreach. So please welcome Khadija.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm just going to say my name one more time because usually people have to hear it a couple of times before they get it. But it's Khadija Batuta. I'm Director of Online Resources at the Chamber with the Public Affairs Department. So our department puts out the Brooklyn's Progress, the e-newsletter. We also have our websites and our Facebook page that I hope most of you like, because I understand I can't call the fans anymore. So I'm here this morning actually not so much as a staffer, but I'm here like you. I'm interested to hear our speakers talk about these new technologies and how they can help us in our work lives. So I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but I do want to do a little tiny commercial for iBrooklyn.com. The Chamber actually upgraded its database technology about 3 years ago. And that allows you to do a lot of things, those of you who are already members of the Chamber, that allows you to do a lot of things that you weren't able to do before, to manage your information online. So I just want to remind you that even at the Chamber, there's new technology for you to use to manage your account information, to register for events, to send yourself email reminders. There are a host of online services regarding your membership benefits that you can take advantage of. Every couple of months, we do a member orientation where I host a workshop where I go through how you can use iBrooklyn.com to better manage your membership at the Chamber. The next one is September 23rd, right here at the Brooklyn Business Library. They're very gracious hosts and partners of the Chamber, so we thank them for that. For those of you who haven't been to a member orientation, I'd like to invite you in September to come join us, learn more about iBrooklyn and your membership services. And that's the end of my commercial. I want to thank you again for coming out. Welcome, and I'm looking forward to this just as much as you. Thank you.
At this time, I'd like to invite our committee members, our Small Business Seminar committee members, to make their way up. So if you committee members, please come up here rather quickly. And I'd also like to direct everybody's attention, of course, to our sponsors today, Optimum Online, Roosevelt Savings Bank, IT, CSNY, and Webline Designs. These are active Chamber members. They know how to use the Chamber. They know the value of the Chamber. And if you have any questions about the Chamber, talk to them, and especially about the services. They are all first-class companies. And the people that you see before you right now are actually volunteers at the Brooklyn Chamber of Commerce. These fine gentlemen and ladies serve on the committee that has put this event and has put many other events like this together over the course of several years. So what I want to do right now is really personally introduce you, or let them introduce themselves to you today. Starting right down here with Bart.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bart McDonald. I'm with Emblem Health. If I can help anybody here with health insurance for a small group, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be more than happy to give you my card. Help you any way I can. Thank you for coming.
Good morning, my name is Karen Bowser of Bowser Research and Consulting, and our expertise is in helping you build relationships for business success and personal joy. So if you are interested in improving how you deal with your employees, how you build your relationship with your clients, please see me and I'd be happy to speak with you.
Hi, I'm Steve Kiners from CMIT Solutions. We provide IT support for small businesses. Basically, we worry about IT so you can worry about your business.
Yeah, hi, my name is Emma Itkes. I'm from legal industry. My company, Prepaid Legal Services, protects small businesses and family legally and from identity theft in affordable way.
Good morning, my name is Andre Archambault. I'm with Reach Local. We're the world's largest online ad platform for local businesses. I'm also as excited about seeing the program this morning as everyone else is here. Thanks for coming out.
Good morning, I'm Josh Gordeski, and I'm president of Game Plan Communications, and we help you avoid certain death by PowerPoint, death by meetings, death by emails that go on and on. So if you want a game plan on how to communicate your point, we can help you with that.
Good morning, everyone. I'm John Levin with Cardinal Trade Group. We run the Brooklyn Trade Show. You can check it out at brooklyntradeshow.com, where you can see me after, okay? It's a B2B trade show at Steiner Studios on September 14th.